Safety first. The reverse cam video review install got postponed today because I had to finish putting these guys in so I could just complete that. Stained, hanged, and done. About living out here in Southern California is the sun. It is relentless out here. So it's probably best to utilize it. These guys. These are lanterns. TANSOREN. I'll leave the link in the description. So what you do is just pull them. Pull it up like so. They got little handles. You can hang them. They come with magnets, so you can basically stick them. Stick them. And then they turn it off, turn it on. This is kind of like a dimmer, and the wider you open it, the brighter it gets. Cool shit. Chico approves. This right here is a lifesaver. RAVPOWER, reliable, affordable value. This is a solar panel, and it comes with 3 panels. And it charges your devices through these USB ports. So it comes with 3 ports. This one I already have my iPhone cable connected to it. So a total of 3 ports to charge. And here are the stats. 24 watt 3-port outdoor charger. This thing has saved me once. I was on a conference call on my cell phone out on the road, and my phone was at 1%. And I had this sitting in the back of the truck. So I took this thing out, laid it on the hood, plugged it in, and I was charged up and I didn't miss my call. I didn't get the job, but whatever.
Baby genau.
This thing is a little lifesaver. It's great. It doesn't scratch. It's got that coating on there. So you got 4 little panels. And again, if you're living out in California sun, this thing can be a lifesaver. The only downside to this thing is that these cords aren't very long. So your devices that you're charging have to be out of the sun. Everything goes in nice and neat. A cool little doodad right there. And it's pretty small, so you can stow it in your back seat compartment or under the seat. That's good for emergencies.